Hi everyone, my name is Wallace and today I'm going to discuss about what is SEO and SEM. In our previous video, we have mentioned about Google process 6.5 billion search each and every day. That means search engine is really an important part of internet marketing. If you want to talk about search engine, then you must have to know what is SEO and SEM. Alright, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimizations, where SEM is stand for Search Engine Marketing. Okay, let's look at the scenes here. This is the Google search result page. In the top part here is actually the SEM. How you're going to list here is you can obtain the listing by promoting the website visibility mainly through the Google Ads. And you will see the little wording ads in front of the listing. And scroll down further, the listing here is actually the organic search listing, where you can obtain the ranking by doing the SEO. Alright, now you know what is SEO and SEM. So the next question you are going to ask might be this: which one is better? So is that SEO having a greater advantages over the SEM or vice versa? And my answer is it depends. It depends on your industry, it depends on your product, it depends on your services. So in my next video, I am going to discuss about what is the characteristic of SEO and SEM and also their advantages and disadvantages. So please stay tuned, and till then I will see you. Bye.